Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Cloud Journey. Today we'll discuss how to list, set and change standard file permission in Linux. So to understand how files and directory permission work in Linux, we must first look at directory owners. So let's start. So if I give command like ls-l and give the file name welcome.txt. So here you can see the file welcome.txt is owned by the user Samir, and next to it this is the group name. The group name is DevOps. So if we can see another file Samir.txt. So in this file Samir.txt, the file is owned by the Samir and the group name is Samir. So you can also change the group name. So you can use the command. For this you can use the command chgroup and provide the. So like if I want to change the group name of the file submit.txt. So if I give group like sudo and give the file submit.txt .txt submit.txt. So here we this group will change to sudo. So let's press enter. I think command. Let's give the command with thg. So if I do ls-l and submit.txt. So here you can see the group got changed. Earlier it was Samir, now it's sudo. So now I'll clear the screen. So you can also change the owner of the file. So for suppose if I if the file name is testl samir.txt. Samir.txt. So if you want to change the owner, like here the owner is Samir, so you can use the command chown and give the owner name with which you want to replace. So if I give Rahul and give the file name submit.txt. I think I have to give sudo. Now you can check ls-l and give the file name. So here you can see earlier it was owned by Samir, now the user got changed. It's Rahul. So first I will clear screen. Now we can see we can change both the user and group with the different syntax. Like we can use both the syntax in one command. Like I will give command sudo change owner to Rahul with Rajesh and provide the group to Docker and file which you have used earlier submit.txt. So if you do ls-l and submit.txt, you can see both the user and the group name got changed. So in this way you can change the both username and the group. Now if I take one file, first I clear screen and ls-l demo.txt, not this one, ls-l server.txt. So here you can see this 9 character. First three RWX and RWX after that. So there are total 9 characters. So first three characters for honor. So like this for user, and after that the next three characters for group. These three RWX, and the last three groups for others. So first I clear this screen and I will show more command how to work with these. So we'll see how we can change permission to suit our needs. So suppose if you have file ls.l dot anyone you can take welcome.txt. So this file has only write permission, read permission. So I can write command like change mode and if u equal to r, we'll see different scenario. G is equal to rx. Here u for user and g for groups. So r for read, and for groups we are providing read and execute, and for others you can give like o is equal to x and give the file name welcome.txt. So press enter. Now we can see file permission change for now. Welcome.txt. So here you can see the permission got changed. For user it's read, and for the group now it's both it can read and execute, and for others it's only execute. So in this way we can see different scenario. Like I will give one more scenario. So if I give change mode and a is equal to r and give the file name welcome.txt, let execute this command. So if you do ls-l and give welcome.txt, so here you can see the permission get changed. Now I will clear screen and will see some more scenario how to work. See if I give change mode and give user equal to rw and give group to only like I minus w and the file name demo.txt. So basically here we are removing the permission of group to write. And let's if demo.txt. So here you can see the write permission got removed. Now I'll clear the screen. So you can use also numeric values, like if you give chmod 400 and with the file name demo.txt. So if you do ls-l demo.txt, here the permission, like you can read and write for honor and read only for groups and others. We can use the command. For this we can give command chmod and 644 and give the file demo.txt and do ls-l demo.txt. So here you can see for user it's read and write for honor and read only for group and others.